The Meteorology and Hydrology Department has warned that thunderstorms with occasional wind gusts will continue throughout Laos until June 11th, while some areas of the central and southern provinces can expect heavy rain and strong winds. There will be thunderstorms and light rain with strong winds throughout Hua Pan and Sin Quang provinces, where temperatures will range from 19 to 30 degrees Celsius. It will be hotter in the northwest, where temperatures will range from 22 to 38 degrees Celsius, with showers and wind gusts in Lok Nam Tha, Bo Keo, Udom Sai, Luang Prabang, and Sanyaburi provinces. The central provinces will also experience high temperatures ranging from 22 to 38 degrees Celsius, accompanied by occasional heavy rain and wind gusts in Bole Kham Sai, Kham Muon, and Savanakhet provinces. In Sai Sambun province, temperatures will range from 18 to 30 degrees Celsius, and there will be light rain with occasional gusting winds. The south will have the thunderstorms and heavy rain with strong winds in some areas of Champasak and Salavan provinces, and a temperature range of 23 to 38 degrees Celsius. Plateau areas will be cool in the morning with light rain and strong winds, and temperatures ranging from 18 to 29 degrees Celsius. Vientiane will have thunderstorms and occasional showers, with temperatures ranging from 23 to 37 degrees Celsius. Everyone should be prepared for weather extremes and keep track of forecasts, the Meteorology and Hydrology Department warns.